Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to solve this Blanker cube. Blanker cube is brilliantly designed and I really liked it. This is, it seems like it is 3 by 3, but it is not 3 by 3, it is 2 by 2. So if you look at this 2 by 2, I'll just show you piece by piece how it is designed. So this is a bigger block of 2 by 2 by 2. So this block is one piece in fact. So it is like if we look at this piece, so this is one block and similarly this is one block. So 2 by 2 by 2 is one block, is only one piece. And if we look at opposite of this, opposite of this is this, on top back, top right back is this piece. So this piece is also one piece but smaller. So this piece is equal to this piece. This is 1 by 1 by 1. So this smaller piece and this is bigger piece. So this block is 2 by 2 by 2 and this piece is opposite of this is 1 by 1 by 1. Okay, now there are top of it, this block is equal to this is 2 by 1 by 1. So this block, there are three blocks like this. So one is this equal to this and second is this 2 by 1 by 1. So this block is equal to this block. And back side, if we look at back bottom like this, left bottom, this block is equal to this is also 2 by 1 by 1. So this back left bottom, this is right side front bottom, and this is top left. So this three pieces are equal pieces and they are 2 by 1 by 1 block. Okay, now another piece which is this equal to this piece. So this is 2 by 2 by 1 piece. So this block is one piece. This block is equal to this block. Same way, this block is equal to this block. This is also 2 by 2 by 1. So this piece. And third one is this. So this is 1 by 1 by 1, smaller block, and below that this is also 2 by 2 by 1. So these three, 1, 2, 3. So it's like 1, 2, 3. These three are 2 by 2 by 1 piece. These three are, this, and this. These three pieces are 2 by 1 by 1. And this block is bigger block of 2 by 2 by 2. It is here. And this is the top right back. This piece is equal to this piece. This is 1 by 1 by 1. So this is smaller block. Okay, so now let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So what I've done is I've also scrambled this. So first what we do is first we fix the first layer. So let's fix the first layer, and it is very easy to fix the first layer. Okay, so this is first layer we have solved, and in this case what we'll do is, since it's a shape shifter, so first what we'll do is, as we discussed earlier, the bottom left block was bigger block. So what we will keep it, we will keep this bigger block on left bottom, so that to keep our perspective right. So first we need to find the bigger block. So if you look at this block is 2 by 2 by 2 is bigger block. Sometimes what happens is you may encounter this kind of situation. I'll just show you wherein you will find two blocks. So like this. So this is one block of 2 by 2 by 2 and this is another block. But in this case, if you look at it, moves from here. So this is not 2 by 2 by 2 block. You can see this. And if you can try this and this, so this is fixed. So this is bigger block. So we have to keep this into bottom left, this side, so that to keep our perspective right. You can solve in any ways. So this is one of the ways. So to keep this perspective right, what we'll do is we'll keep this bigger block on left bottom, and now we'll fix the pieces around this. So on right hand side, this piece was 2 by 1 by 1. So we have three pieces of 2 by 1 by 1. So if you look at this piece will fix here. Okay, sometimes what happens is you may encounter this kind of situation wherein So there are 1, 2, 3 blocks, and we have to fix this block over here. So it is simple RU R prime, and you can use this RU R prime U prime, and you can fix this. Okay, on left side, sorry, back side. So this side also 2 by 1 by 1 block will be placed. So what we'll do is we'll fix one more piece. So L prime, U prime, L and U. Again L prime, U prime, L, U. Again L prime, U prime, L and U. So now you can see this is also fixed. Now we have to fix the fourth piece. So this is 2 by 1 by 2 by 2 by 1 block. So we need to be careful in this because there are 3 pieces similar to this. So what we'll do is first we'll fix 1, 2 and 3. So out of 3 we have to fix one piece over here. So it is R, U, R prime, and this is fixed. So our first layer is done. Okay, so in next case we'll solve the top layer. So first we'll fix the one piece which is into its correct position, and then we'll see we can also orient the pieces first, so we'll get the clear idea. So we need to these two are oriented correctly, these two we need to orient it. So what we can do is RIDI RD, RIDI RD, RIDI RD, RIDI RD. Okay, so these pieces are oriented correctly. Now we need to see these two pieces are placed into its correct position, and these two pieces are swapped. So normally what we do is we use this algorithm, that is 2R U, 2R UI, 2R turn right, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R, and it will be solved. Okay, in this case this is smaller piece. So what we'll do is first we'll orient this piece opposite of bigger block. So where is the bigger block? First we need to check. So this is 2 by 2 by 1. This is not. Okay, this is okay. So this is the bigger block. So opposite of this is the smaller 1 by 1 by block. So this is oriented into its correct. This is placed into its correct position. So now we have to rotate these 3. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll use the same algorithm, that is U R U prime, L prime, U R prime, U prime, L. Okay, so now all the pieces are into its correct position, and now we need to just orient these pieces. So this is oriented correctly, this may not oriented correctly because this is 1 by 1 by 1. So we'll we need to orient this also if we do not get orientation of all these pieces. So first we'll fix this piece, then we'll fix these 2 pieces. So what we'll do is we'll use right hand side, and we'll use this RI DI RD, again RI DI RD. So this is fixed. Okay, now we need to fix these 2 pieces. So RI DI RD, RI DI RD. So this is fixed. Now we need to fix this RI DI RD, RI DI RD, and now our cube is solved. Okay, I'll show you one more situation where 2 pieces are swapped. This could be one of the situations wherein if you orient these pieces, so these 2 pieces are swapped. So this 1 by 1 by 1 block needs to be here in this place, and this 2 by 2 by 1 block needs to be here like this. So these 2 pieces are swapped. We need to swap that those pieces. So what we'll do is we'll use the same algorithm, 2R U, 2R UI, 2R, and then turn right, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R, and our cube will be solved. I'll show you one more case. You may come across with this kind of situation also, wherein first what we have to do is we have to find 1 by 1 by 1 block. So if you look at this, this is 1 by 1 by 1 block. How we'll get to know? If we want to see this, we can move, and this we can move. So this is 1 by 1 by 1 block. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll fix the pieces around this. So this is already into its correct position. This 2 needs to be swapped. So what we'll do is we'll keep the 2 by 2 by 2 block on left hand side and bottom, and we'll swap these two pieces. So because this piece needs to be here and this piece needs to be here. So what we'll do is first we'll swap these two. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R turn right, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R. Okay, so now it is into its correct position. We need to just orient them. So what we'll do is first we'll orient this piece. So this is our bigger block. We can use 2 by 1 block to orient this. So what we'll do is we'll orient this piece first and then this piece. So RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. So this is oriented correctly. Now we have to orient this RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D RI DI R D. Okay, now we can see our cube is not yet solved. Top layer is solved. So we have to use the 1 by 1 by 1 block to fix this. So this is 1 by 1 by 1 block. RI DI R D RI DI R D, again RI DI R D RI DI R and D. So this is solved. This is one more case wherein if you try to fix the pieces. So this piece, this is the bigger block. This is the bigger block. So what we'll do is first we'll fix this block 2 by 1 by 1 onto it, and now we'll see these two pieces. I mean, this is 1 by 2 by 2, 2 by 2 by 1, and this is also 2 by 2 by 1, and this is 1 by 1 by 1. So these three pieces are not oriented correctly. So first we will try to orient it. So what this will happen is this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So let's try it. So it is U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L. Okay, now you can see these two pieces are, we need to fix it. So these two pieces we need to fix, and we need to just orient them correctly. So let's see, RI DI R D, again RI DI R D. So this is oriented correctly. Now we need to orient this RI DI R D, again RI DI R D. Now we can see this is fixed, but this bottom layer is not fixed, it is disturbed. So what we'll do is we'll use this 1 by 1 by 1 block to fix this. So RI DI R D RI DI R D, and our cube is solved. Okay, so if you have any query on this, please message me. Thank you for watching.